Let's check if there's a stereo speakers on a Samsung Galaxy A05. So first of all, we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is located right here on the bottom side of our phone. Then another one is located on the top, and that's a phone call speaker. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we can play some music and cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that confirms that this device does have it. If it doesn't, that means it doesn't have it. So let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which would confirm that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers.